Hey there, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check flight status details using the Fly Delta app on your Android phone. Whether you're tracking your own flight or someone else's, this guide will help you stay informed in real time. Open the Fly Delta app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the list of options, select Flight Status. Now choose the flight date. You can pick between today, tomorrow, or yesterday, depending on which flight you're checking. You can search in two ways, either by entering the flight number directly or by entering the departure and arrival cities or airport names in the From and To fields. Once you've entered the information, tap on the View Status button. You'll now see a list of matching flights. Scroll through and tap on the specific flight you want to check. Here, you'll find details such as the aircraft name, scheduled time, and terminal information. To see even more flight details, tap on View More. This will show you information like miles flown, cancellation percentage, in-flight amenities, and available meal services. If you want to stay updated on any changes to this flight, tap on Get Flight Notifications. Then confirm by clicking Yes. That's it. Now you can easily track any Delta flight using the Fly Delta app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.